Question number 11. Well, 11 bags of wheat flour, each marks 5 kg, actually contain the following weight in flour in kg: 4.97 kg, 5.05 kg, 5.08 kg, 5.03 kg, 5.06 kg, 5.08 kg, 4.98 kg, 5.04 kg, 5.07 kg, and 5 kg. Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg. So, total number of bags is equal to 11. So, total number of trial or outcome is equal to 11. Event A, the bag contains more than 5 kg of flour. So, there are 7 such bags which is having more than 5 kg: 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, 5.06, 5.08, 5.04, and 5.407. So favorable outcome is equal to 7. So PA is equal to favorable outcome upon total outcome, that is 7 upon 11. Question number 12. If the sum of exercise 14.2, well, you are asked to prepare the frequency distribution table regarding the construction of sulfur dioxide, okay, concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in a part per million of the certain city of 30 days. So as it is 30 days, the total number of outcome is 38. Okay, while using the table, find the probability of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.12 to 0.16. So, concentration of sulfur dioxide in the class 0.12 and 0.6 is equal to 2. So, let the event A denote the event that contains the concentration of sulfur dioxide in an interval of 0.12 to 0.16. So the favorable outcome is 2. So PA is equal to favorable outcome upon total outcome, that is 2 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon, where 2 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon 15. Well, question 13. In the sum number 1 exercise 14.2, you were asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the blood group of 30 students. So total outcome is 30. Okay, of the class, using the table to determine the probability that the students of the class selected at random has blood group AB. So the number of favorable outcomes will be the student having group AB. So the students having group AB are 3. So the favorable outcome is 3. So favorable outcome upon total number of outcome is equal to 3 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 10. Now we are going to see some MCQs. When a balanced die is thrown, the probability of getting 3 is dash. So when the balanced die is thrown once, there is a probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the favorable outcome is 6. And out of that, okay, well, favorable outcome of getting, okay, well, 3 is 1. So the answer is 1 upon 13. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of cards. The probability that the card being a card or other than a picture card. Now for your kind information, there are 4 picture cards, total 12 picture cards, 3 of each: club, spade, diamond and heart. Gallo, Rani, Raja. Diamond na, okay, heart na, club na and spade na. So there are 12 face card. So the probability is not a face card. So out of 52, okay, total cards, you are going to subtract 12. There are 12 picture cards in a pack. So favorable outcome will be 52 minus 12, not a face card. So it is 40 upon 40. So PA is equal to 40 upon 52. That comes to 10 upon 13. When an unbiased coin is tossed 3 times, probability of receiving 3 head is dash. So first of all, we are going to find out the favorable outcomes. If you are tossing 3 toss, you may get 3 heads at a time, 3 tails at a time, head, tail and head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head, or head, tail, tail and tail, tail, head. Okay, so probability of getting, okay, 3 head favorable outcomes. So out of this you are getting 3 head only once, so it is 1 upon 8, and total outcome is 8, so it is 1 upon 8. Same way, when 3, okay, unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously, the probability of receiving exactly one tail is dash. So total outcomes is that we have seen in the previous sum. Same thing I have written over here, headed tail. So you are getting exact one tail. So you are getting tail once, only once, that is 1, 2 and 3. Headed tail, tail headed and head tail head. So 1, 2 and 3. So favorable outcomes are 3. So it is 3 upon 8. When a balanced dice is, okay, well, thrown, the probability of receiving the even number. Now when a dice is thrown, there is probability of getting 6 outcomes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you have to find out the probability of receiving an even number. So out of this, the even number are 2, 4 and 6. So the favorable outcome will be 2, 4 and 6, that is total 3. So PA is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. When a balanced die is thrown, the probability of, okay, well, receiving a prime number. So the outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of that, the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So the favorable outcome will be 3. So it is 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. When two dice, okay, are thrown simultaneously, the probability of getting the total number on the dice is 9. That is the sum of the, well, when you are throwing two dice, there are 36 possibilities. That is, on both the dice you will get 1. In one dice you will get 1 and another dice you will get 2. On one dice you will get 1 and another dice you will get 3. On one dice you will get 1 and another die 4. Same way I have written all the probabilities. So these are the 6 total outcomes, 36 total outcomes. Favorable outcome of the sum of getting on the dice is 9. So 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So favorable outcomes are 4, that is 4 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 9. Out of 100 days, the forecast predicated by the weather department proves to be true on 20 days. Choose any one day, okay, from these 100 days. The probability that the forecast is proved to be false. The total outcome was 100. True forecast was 20. So wrong forecast or false forecast was 80. So PA is equal to 80 upon 100. So 8 upon 10, which is 4 upon 5. Most probably I am going to start live class from Monday, and I am going to go with SS. The link will be sent to you and the time also will be normally WhatsApp to you. So please download the Skype app on your mobile. Thank you.